going to Costco. Go stop. Costco. Joanna. This is how we shop.
I'm only halfway through.
It's okay. I lend you my space.
Or you can cook at home.
Michael doesn't eat cooked salmon. We have abalone. What's this? Snow crab? I should get one for Michael. Mackerel? No. Look at these. Look at that. Tonight, I'm going to make crab. The frozen cooked snow crab. Look, so much meat in it. Oh my god. That's so sweet. I don't know, by cooking it, it make it better or worse? Because the crab, you just boiled it, it tastes so sweet already. Ready? This is the best crab for $20. There's so much meat in it. Please take a seat.
Salmon, anything like that.
No. Today is crab. What do you think I am? I can only do one thing. So much meat in it.
To desperately try and curb the crowd in the world since COVID.
It's so good. We finished it.